exploration of geographic authentication schema. Geographic authentication is the usability and security of two geographic authentications. One is GeoPass and other is a GeoPass node. If a user selects the GeoPass, requires to choose a place on a digital map to authentication with a location password. If user is a GeoPass node, an extension of GeoPass requires user to annotate their location password with a sequence of words and they can associate with the location. In a GeoPass node, users are authenticated by correctly entering both a location and an annotation. The problem is that password has well-known problems relating to their memorability and vulnerability to being easily guessed by attackers. The security problem with a password appears to be even worse than previously believed. To ensure security requirements are met, unusable password policy are implemented that cause an increasing burden on a user. When a password are forgotten, many systems on a secondary authentication such as a challenge question for a resulting is or her password. Unfortunately, to overcome this problem, the geographic authentication proposed people generally have better memory for images or words. This has motivated many graphical passwords that involves a user remembers an image instead of words. We hypothesize that the location password should be highly memorable under an appropriate system design. After all, map location or visual and represents places that the location password interface that are memorable and provides a security against guessing attacks. So we aim to enhance the security of a location password by making a users to choose a node then can associate it with their choose a location. The main advantage of this application is stronger authentication and is user friendly and increases the resistance to both online and offline attackers. To develop this application, we are going to use MVC architecture, model view controller. According to this application, we develop the project. This application of our project. In this folder, we construct a CSS designs. Here we construct a resource. Inside the resource folder, we design our JSP pages. To run this application, we need a Tomcat server. Go to the browser. Type localhost :8080. Click enter. Go on Tomcat manager. And select the application. Now register with the new user. If user is in a GeoPass node or if he is in a GeoPass, if user is in a GeoPass, requires user to choose a place in a digital map A location password is a point on a digital map that is selected by a user as a user password. The user sets a location password by right-clicking on their desired location. We can choose a right-clicking to avoid confusion. A double left-clicking is normally associated with zooming in a Google Map. If user is in a GeoPass node, GeoPass node is an extension of GeoPass system. User login by first selecting a location on a map as in GeoPass and then creates an annotation. For login to be successful, both the same location and the same annotation must be re-entered. Click on register. Now user has registered successfully. Now login with the registered user. Go on next. Now the user is in a GeoPass node. He has to prefer his location and he has to give a GeoPass node. Click on user login. For the enhancement, we're going to use optimal meeting point. In the optimal meeting point, here is an interior and the members. If user is an interior, as to log in, the system will provide the option to select a preferred location by using a Google Map and select a group members. The interior has to select his prepared location and he has to select the group members. To send the request, a user preferred the location, user will get a login into the system. Now log out. Now log in with the user. Click on next. The member has to the member has to prepare his location Click OK. Now the one more user has to select his location. Click OK. Log out.
Internet is still not working, no? Working now. Okay. Okay. How you create it? Mulesh. அந்த கோட் அனுப்பிச்சிடுங்க அந்த ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்
Log out.
கான்செப்ட் அப்ரோவ் வாங்கி ஓகே நீங்கள் அதை அனுப்பிச்சி விட்டுருங்க ஓகே
Now log in with the interior. Go on next.
Okay, then many things you are putting like this so that you can do it. Now you are running this.
User login. The interior has to check whether all the members are given a preferred location or not. If all the members are given a preferred location means the interior will collect all the member preferred location. Start to find optimal location. Get the members location, the location, now find the nearby location. For a fairness calculation, we'll give the center location among all those prepared location. The system allows to view center location on the Google map. The center location is a white field. Change password. The user can change his password. Log out. Thank you.